Hi, today I'm gonna share this book, Officer Buckle and Gloria. Officer Buckle knew more safety tips than anyone else in Napville. Every time he thought of a new one, he thumbtacked it to his bulletin board. This is bulletin board. Safety tip number 77. Never stand on a swivel chair. Swivel chair. This one. He stood on this chair and fell off. So never stand on swivel chair. Then one day, Napville's police department bought a police dog named Gloria. When it was time for Officer Buckle to give the safety speech at the school, Gloria went along. "Children, this is Gloria," announced Officer Buckle. "Gloria obeys my commands. Gloria, sit." And Gloria sat. Obey the commands. Safety tip number 2, said Officer Buckle. Always wipe up spills before someone slips and falls. The children's eyes popped. Officer Buckle checked on Gloria again. "Good dog," he said. Officer Buckle thought of a safety tip he had discovered that morning. The next day, an enormous envelope arrived at the police station. Enormous envelope. It was stuffed with thank you letters from the students at Napville School. Every letter had a drawing of Gloria on it. Officer Buckle thought the drawings showed a lot of imagination. "Dear Gloria and Officer Buckle, thanks for coming to our school. You are nice. Your friend George." "Dear Gloria and Officer Buckle, blah blah blah. Look and I like dogs and safety. Your friend Andrew." A lot of letters. His favorite letter was written on a star-shaped piece of paper. It said, "You and Gloria make a good team. Your friend Claire. P.S. I always wear a crash helmet. Safety tip number 7. Officer Buckle was thumbtacking Claire's letter to his bulletin board when the phones started ringing. Grade schools, high schools, and daycare centers were calling about the safety speech. "Officer Buckle," they said, "our students want to hear your safety tips, and please bring around that police dogs." They are so popular. Officer Buckle told his safety tips to 313 schools. Everywhere he and Gloria went, children sat up and listened. What are they talking about? Safety awareness for everyone this year. After every speech, Officer Buckle took Gloria out for ice cream. Licking ice cream. Officer Buckle loved having a buddy. Hot dogs and ice cream. Oh, she is writing sign. Then one day, a television news team videotaped Officer Buckle in the State College auditorium. So this is college. When he finished safety tip number 99, do not go swimming during electrical storms. The students jumped to their feet and applauded. Bravo, bravo, they cheered. Officer Buckle bowed again and again. Electrical storms. That night, Officer Buckle watched himself on the 10 o'clock news. Ooh, watched himself. Here you can watch the TV. The next day, the principal of Knappville School telephoned the police station. Good morning, Officer Buckle. It's time for our safety speech. Officer Buckle frowned. I'm not giving any more speeches. Nobody looks at me anyway. Oh, said Mrs. Topple. Well, how about Gloria? Could she come? Someone else from the police station gave Gloria a ride to the school. Gloria sat on stage looking lonely. Then she fell asleep. So did the audience. After Gloria left, Knappville School had its biggest accident ever. Oh my gosh, what's the accident? They fell asleep. It started with a puddle of banana pudding. Splat, splatter, sploosh. Everyone slid smack into Mrs. Topple, who screamed and let go of her hammer. Oh my gosh, hammer, she throwed. The next morning, a pile of letters arrived at the police station. Every letter had a drawing of the accident. Officer Buckle was shocked. At the bottom of the pile was a note written on a paper star. Officer Buckle smiled. The note said, Gloria missed you yesterday. Your friend Claire. Don't worry, I was wearing my helmet. Safety tip number 7. Gloria gave Officer Buckle a big kiss on the nose. Officer Buckle gave Gloria a nice pat on the back. Then Officer Buckle thought of his best safety tip yet. Safety tip number 101. Always stick with your buddy. Stick with your buddy. Stay together. Safety tips. The end. Safety tip を貼りまくるオフィサーバックルのお話でした。Thank you very much for listening and watching. Bye.